Alright, we're making it out. This is not the video that I had planned for today, but unfortunately my whole family and I have been sick for the last week and a half. I don't feel like my voice actually sounds real good right now, so I don't actually want to make a first thoughts video yet, but I will have the first thoughts on the Öhlins rear shock coming out soon. I adjusted the microphone a little bit in my helmet to see if I can have my voice not clip as much, as well as there's a new one in. White one, same mic, just a white one, which I actually feel like records a little bit louder. We're gonna see if I can get better exhaust sound. But for today's video, more or less just getting out to rip down some back roads. It should be storming in a little bit. Actually super surprised that it hasn't started raining yet today, but it's supposed to be a pretty good thunderstorm coming. We'll see. So hope you guys like this video. Let's see what we can get. Alright, so this is what a like 35-40 minute ride looks like for me from my house. Did a loop of some of my favorite roads in all directions, coming back. I actually feel like it's more bright now than it was earlier, but it's supposed to be storming anytime. This is Maryland weather for you. Essentially it looked like it was going to rain earlier before it said it was going to, but now it's sunny. I don't know. I don't get it. Maybe it won't storm. Probably will as soon as I don't think it's going to anymore. But anyhow, I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment. Let me know. Did you like my local roads? Do you not? How do they compare to yours? As long as you're out on the bike, that's all that matters. Thank you guys for checking out this video, and I'll see you next time.